Good morning to all. This is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series, we are going to see the topic speeding up your website. How to speeding up your websites. Come, let's move on to video. Speeding up your website is crucial for improving the user experience. SEO rankings, SEO, search engine optimization ranking, as well as conversion rates. Let us see the key features for improving speed up the loading time in websites. Optimize the images, compress as well as resize the images in order to reduce file size without compromising the quality. At the same time, use modern image formats like WebP as well as serve responsive images based on device screen sizes. And another important thing is enable browser caching. Leverage browser caching in order to store static resources. Static resources like cascading style sheet JavaScript images on visitors' browsers in order to reducing the server request and speeding up the subsequent page load. And then minify CSS, JavaScript and HTML. Remove unnecessary characters and consolidate code in order to reduce file sizes. Use minification tools or plugins to automatically minify your website cascading style sheet, JavaScript as well as HTML files. Next important thing is reduce server response time. So optimizing the server configuration as well as database queries and server-side scripting in order to minimize responsible time. Use caching mechanisms like object caching, op caching, content delivery networks to serve the content more efficiently as well as effectively. And another one is enable gzip compression. So enabling gzip compression in order to compress the web pages as well as CSS, JavaScript files before sending them to the browser, reducing the file size and speeding up the loading time. It's going to execute the particular websites in fast access. So next thing is optimizing the code delivery. Loading critical CSS as well as JavaScript inline or synchronously to prioritize the rendering above the fold content. Next thing is implement content delivery networks. Content delivery networks helps to distribute the website content across the multiple server worldwide, reducing the latency as well as improving the loading speed for visitors in different geographic regions. Optimize the server as well as hosting. Choose a reputable web hosting provider with high performance servers and optimize the server configuration in an effective way. Next thing is monitor and optimize the third-party scripts. So monitoring plays a vital role. Regularly we have to focus on monitor and optimize the third-party scripts. We have to limit the number of third-party scripts, analytics, advertisements, social media, widgets. We have to implement some kind of distribution channels to reduce the server request as well as improve the page load times. So next, monitoring and optimizing performance impacts of third-party scripts using browser developer tools and performance monitoring tool. And next thing is implementing DNS, domain name server prefetching and pre-connect. So domain name server is also the main part of visualizing our website in effective way. First we have to check over the domain name server whether our website is there or not. First we are going to feed the URL. After that, each and every domain name server we are going to fetch over. We are going to check over with the help of IP address. After the IP address gets matched, then we move on to web server. In that web server, we are going to take over the collection of files, whatever we are uploading in server. So the implement DNS prefetching and pre-connect, it uses the DNS prefetching in order to solve the domain names in advance for external resources as well as reducing the Domain name server lookup time. So domain names server plays a major role while visualizing the website. So website security is major impact, as well as the speeding up the website. Suppose the customer's feedback is less satisfaction about that particular website, means we have to focus on these kind of features in order to in order to speeding up the time of visualize the particular websites. So hope you all understand how to speeding up the website visualize quickly. So thank you for your passion listening.